Good morning, house.
I wake up.
It is sunny.
Zoo day today.
Go to the zoo? Can we go, Mom? Yes, we go. I take my bag.
My backpack is ready.
Water for you, Tom.
Snacks for the zoo.
My hat is here.
Put on your shoes.
I tie my shoes.
I have the tickets.
Let's go now.
We go together.
This is our car.
Seatbelt on.
We drive slowly.
I am ready.
This is the zoo.
It is big.
We are here.
3 tickets, please. Here are tickets.
My zoo ticket.
Many animals here.
I see lions.
And elephants.
And birds, too.
We walk together. Go this way.
Hold my hand.
Yes, my dear.
I hear birds. Yeah. So many sounds.
Big animals first. Stay behind the fence.
I stay here.
This is a lion.
is so big.
The lion walks.
I feel scared.
It is safe. Haze.
Thank you.
Now, elephants. An elephant eats. It has a trunk.
My trunk. Look.
Very funny, Tom.
Splash! Water!
I like elephants.
This is a giraffe. It eats leaves. A long neck.
So tall.
I am small.
Dad is small.
Yeah.
This is a zebra. This is a zebra.
Black and white.
Look, stripes.
Do not shout.
Okay, I whisper.
This is a hippo. A big mouth.
Wow. Big mouth.
No feeding here. Lie down.
I do not feed.
This is a monkey. It climbs fast.
I climb too.
Feet on the ground.
Okay, Mommy. This is a panda.
It eats bamboo.
Didn't know. It eats slowly.
This is a flamingo.
It is pink.
I stand too.
Good balance, Tom.
Penguins are here! They swim fast.
I see them. Ah,
This is a turtle. It is slow.
slow and quiet. This is a rabbit.
Feed gently, Tom.
Here you go.
The rabbit eats. Clean hands now.
Time to rest.
I drink water.
Eat a snack.
Put trash here. Oh, trash here.
I keep it clean.
Walk again. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Lion is big. Elephant has a trunk. Giraffe is tall. Zebra has stripes. Monkey climbs fast. Panda eats bamboo. Penguins swim fast. Woo! Rabbit is cute.
You learn a lot. You learn a lot.
I know many animals.
We go home now. Goodbye. See you.